So there is another new feature to update and talk about for LinkedIn. And this is something that some of you may have seen, may not have seen, may know about, may not know about. And it's the LinkedIn video only feed. Yes, there is now a separate news feed on LinkedIn that is video only. Now, I will say a couple things first. It is slowly being rolled out. Whenever I do these update trainings and update podcast episodes, I always get people reaching out to me or commenting, "Hey, I don't see this feature." I think one of the most recent ones was the weekly sharing tracker, which if you go on the homepage of LinkedIn and you actually click on post impressions on the far left side and you scroll down to the bottom, it'll have something called weekly sharing tracker, where it gives you three activities that you want to take part in: a post, a comment, and a contribution to a collaborative article. Now, that is still being slowly rolled out as well. And so is this LinkedIn video only feed. So I noticed this the other day completely by accident. I had heard about it uh, on the social media, a social media podcast that I listened to called the Social Media Examiner podcast, and they were, doing updates and things that are coming down the pike and this, that, or the other. And one of them was the LinkedIn video only feed. And I hadn't seen it. I may have had access to it because it's being given to early adapters, uh, so myself included, and some people may not have it yet. Now, from what I have seen, it is most or is only going to be viewable on the mobile app. And it comes in two forms. So much like Instagram Reels or TikTok or Facebook Reels. And if you click on a reel, if you click on a TikTok and you just continue to thumb up, it'll give you video after video after video after video. That is just like this. If you are on the mobile app on LinkedIn and you happen to stumble upon a short form video, even a medium form video, and you click on it, obviously it'll take you into the post, which means it'll obviously go from the small post into the entire screen being that video. And to see if you have it, all you have to do is swipe up, much like you would if you were on Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. If it goes to the next video behind it, you have access to the LinkedIn only video feed. If you thumb up and it takes you out of the full screen of that video back to the original post with the caption and the write-up, you don't have access to it yet. Now, for those that are watching on YouTube, just to kind of give you a live demonstration, just to kind of show you what that whole thing looks like, I'm going to actually pull up a video, which you can see right here. And again, all you have to do is click on it, and basically it will blow up the video so you can see the entire thing. And then all you have to do is swipe up. And if you continue to swipe up, it goes from one video to the next to the next. That is how you know that you have the LinkedIn video only feed. So that is one way. Now, the second way, which I actually just noticed, is much like recommendations that are made on other platforms, like posts you should consider, and especially on LinkedIn, newsletters to subscribe to, this, that, or the other. They now have suggested videos for you. So again, on the mobile app, as you scroll down, you're going to come to an area where it says something like videos for you. And again, if you just swipe and just kind of toggle over, they will give you about 5 or 6 suggested videos. Now, you can see these are more short form videos, and I think that is the underlying message in today's training and podcast episode. Is right now, I would say there's a pendulum swing to shorter form content. We've talked about this before about the attention span of the content consumer. So not the content creator. We're talking about the person on the other side of the computer screen or on the other side of their phone. The content consumer is becoming more and more distracted, more and more overwhelmed, and I would say more and more just squirrel brained. It's just information overload. So this has been talked about a lot, that it's better to be just completely direct, short, mini clips that can impact that content consumer quicker. So maybe a 15-second video, a 30-second video, a 59-second video. Now, a little, I would say, content creation, but repurposing of my content hack is a program that I use called opus.pro. I'll actually leave it in the description of this episode, and obviously in the comments if you're watching on social. It's just opus.pro. There's a couple different versions. I use the paid version, which is $19 a month, and it allows you to repurpose content, but also pre-schedule your content. So as an example, I can take a video like this that I'm recording and shooting right now, even though there's an audio and video version. I can dump it into Opus, and basically it'll spit out. I can dictate whether I want 15-second clips, 29-second clips, 59-second clips, and it basically will take that. I can put in keywords that I want it to recognize, and it'll spit out mini video clips, much like I have talked about in this episode, that you can basically download to your computer, download to your phone, or directly post from Opus to LinkedIn. So I'm going to be trying this myself. I'm going to start moving into more of the short form content creation on LinkedIn, meaning video content. I'm still going to be doing my newsletters, my polls. I'm going to be doing a LinkedIn Live as I always do, but I think I'm going to be doing a mini video clip. And for me, it's just, it's so tough because there are so many things that I can create on LinkedIn, because there's newsletters, there's polls, there's slide documents, there's multi-image posts, there's single image text posts. But I'm going to really start to go all in on this short form video content to see what it does to my network, what it does to the engagement rate, how the impressions grow, and overall visibility. So first and foremost, please don't forget to check out to see if you have the LinkedIn only video feed. Again, you're going to want to open the mobile app. You're going to want to find a video. You're going to want to click on it and then swipe up. If it takes you to another video, you have it. If it takes you out of that video back to the original post, you don't. Or if you go through the mobile app newsfeed of LinkedIn and you're just kind of scrolling through, you may see a little side menu that says videos for you. That also is the LinkedIn video only feed. Now, there's no way to quote unquote get it faster. They're just slowly rolling it out to those that are consistent in creating content. I would say just be patient. And I would say also take a look at opus.pro to see if that repurposing of your content tool may be good for you to kind of chop up your long form video into short form video. And one final thing, just a reminder, Nancy and I are doing first ever free workshop called Scale Your Business in 5 days. So we're going to be teaching you all the core principles of what you need to do to scale your business: sales funnel, lead magnet, opt-in, email list growth, all the strategy behind how you could scale your business over time. If you're interested in registering for this free event, it's September 23rd to September 27th, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live and recorded. All you have to do is go to the description of this episode, click on the link to register, and you're in. If you're watching on social, on LinkedIn or YouTube, just type in the comments me, the word ME, and I will send you the link where you can get registered for this free event called Scale Your Business in 5 days workshop. So I hope you found this episode helpful. Love and gratitude, and I'll talk to you next time.